Today we're going to be replacing the lights on the climate control panel on my 2009 Toyota Tacoma. So the first thing we need to do is remove this panel. And I have a very specialized tool for this, the paint can opener. This is just got little pegs that hold it in, so we need to pry it basically from the top and bottom. So you pull that in there and you just kind of pop it out, and you can hear and feel it coming out. And then just a regular screwdriver on the bottom, and I tend to use two tools for that. I've got a small little angle thing that can get in there too. There we go. Pops out. We can probably take care of these without disconnecting the cables at all. These two little lights here and here are what have burned out. And these are, unfortunately, they are not LEDs, which is why they burn out. They are incandescent. So you stick your screwdriver in, turn them about a quarter turn, and they are loose. And they come right out. There's one. There we go. And there's the other one. Here is the set of new ones I got from Amazon. And I will also post a picture of the Amazon page so you can see what to order. They look pretty much the same except for the color. They should just slot in, and then you turn them quarter turn, and well, that one's not going in. Alright, so now we've got them set in there. Okay, not quite a quarter turn, and it slips into place. There. And you can see that what was holding in there was just these tabs here, so they just push right back in. Alright, let's see if they work. You can see that the lights on both sides are turning on and off, so both our light bulbs are working. So that's it. Took about 5 minutes and couldn't be easier.